Hey, let me tell you how it felt the first time I hit play on the gamer Xtreme and everything on screen just worked. This is for the person who is tired of that laggy pause, the stutter in critical moments, and the vague sense that their setup is always one step behind. You deserve gear that responds as fast as you do. Before you go deep into anything else, check the current price and stock. Rigs like this move fast when people catch on. You know that moment when your old PC starts showing its age. You launch into a game and instead of feeling sharp, you waiting for load bars. You switch into a task and the whole system coughs on you. You smile less and wait more. That S when you realize you've outgrown the compromise phase. Upgrading to this gamer Xtreme changes the game. Load times shrink, visuals stay steady, and even demanding titles feel smooth instead of precarious. It's not just performance, it's peace of mind. You stop holding your breath in fights and start playing like you mean it. Picture this in your everyday life. You boot up and the desktop is instantly available. Heavy games load fast and stay fluid. You switch apps without hesitation. Updates and installs happen without drama. You actually use your machine instead of babysitting it. Once you feel that kind of performance, anything slower starts to feel like yesterday as tech dragging you down. And don't wait for prices to spike or availability to dip. Demand at this level always shifts fast. You might wonder if it's worth it for your style of play or work. The truth is, this isn't just about numbers on a spec sheet. You feel the difference. Frames stay smooth. Textures pop. Everything stays responsive. It's not pushy power, it's reliable strength that works with you. Here's something you don't expect until you live with it. You start enjoying your time at the PC again. Not just playing, experiencing it. That's not a small thing. You feel confident in every match you launch. Your system responds without pause. Tasks you used to avoid feel faster now. Games look crisp without strain. Your setup finally feels capable. It's not the cheapest build you'll ever see. It's not pushing bleeding edge enthusiast power. But at some point you drop the endless comparison loop and choose the one that already felt right. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay until prices spike or stock shrinks. If you're ready to stop holding back and step into a smoother, sharper gaming experience, check the latest availability and make your move. You'll feel it the very moment you power on.